Nestle is now facing two major issues, which are the boycott of baby formula and the water issue. First, Nestle's decision to replace breast milk with formula milk is not well received as many consider it unethical. Not only that, the problem of water pollution in backward countries has also hindered the introduction of baby formula because it will burden the baby's physical condition. Furthermore, according to the UNICEF, formula-fed children are 6 to 25 times more likely to die from diarrhea and 4 times more likely to die from pneumonia compared to the breastfed children. This has exacerbated the difficulties of implementing the Nestle formula. In addition, Nestle also shared a problem with excessive water use. Nestle, one of the largest bottled water producers, drains as many aquifers as possible in order to expand its business, regardless of the long-term environment. As a result, according to the former City Council member in Partido 1, children are getting sick from the water pollution since Nestle is digging deep wells to deprive local residents of drinking water.
According to Michael Porter's five process theory, the degree of market competition and corporate satisfactions are determined by the five processes. Porter's five strengths are supplier bargaining power, buyer bargaining power, threat of new entry, threat of replacement products, and competition among existing competitors. First, bargaining power of supplies. Supplier bargaining power is an important component to be considered in any area because it is the company's main strength. Nestle is known to have close relation with suppliers around the world because of its enormous purchasing power and the fact that quality is always essential for dairy and agriculture products. Nestle has stronger bargaining position than some competitors, except for the control items such as sugar. Next, bargaining power of buyers. Buyers' power refers to the ability to negotiate favorable terms of business with sellers. Industries can offer attractive price, discounts, better credit conditions, higher product quality, and more product support services to strong buyers. Then, Tesco hypermarket has tremendous power over suppliers such as Nestle Malaysia. In-house promotion for Nestle products are sometimes cheaper than Nestle employee store, where employees can purchase Nestle product at an average discount of 30% from normal retail prices.
Next, I will continue with the threat of new entrants. The operating skills of Nestlé make it economic efficiency, huge discount for raw materials and fixed costs fully allocated to each product. Nestlé product is uniqueness based on the taste, nutrition, brand image, price, and packaging design. Its conversion cost is increased by the cheaper price and high quality. Nestle have many competitors in the malt beverage market, which is Nestle take 65% of the market share, Horlick take 13% of the market share, and the remains 22%. Nestle industry goal rate is 11%, while the condensed milk industry is lower than 8%. Nestle products are easier to sell, thus the only increased fixed cost is the spray drying facilities. Nestle promote to cope with the new industrial members invading market share. Nestle currently is still doing well. It is not getting out of the obstacle. Finally, there are not particular products to replace Nestle in the market. Even the similar products from Unilever is 3 times price compared to the Milo.
So now I'll proceed with the SWOT analysis of Nestlé. Nestlé is the world's most recognizable brand with products sold in 186 countries. The company product portfolio is diverse with over 2,000 brands spanning a wide range of food and beverage products. Besides, Nestlé has strong R&D capabilities with 27 R&D centers worldwide. Nestlé has also established a robust supply chain to support its global operations. The weakness of Nestlé is that over 60% of the company's products are unhealthy. Nestlé faces revenue pressure from retail giants, which it relies on to sell products to customers. Besides, the company depends heavily on advertising, which could result in profit compression. Nestlé's pool of brands may be too large to manage and lead to operational inefficiencies. The trend towards healthy lifestyles presents a huge opportunity for Nestlé to strengthen its position by offering healthy products. The growth of online shopping is unstoppable, thus Nestlé can expand its direct sales channels. Nestlé can also expand its product portfolio by acquiring other companies. With the growing RTD coffee and tea market, Nestlé should improve its RTD coffee and tea categories to increase sales and profits. However, the increased raw material prices could harm Nestlé's future competitive prices. Besides, growing competition in the industry will threaten Nestlé's market share. As water is a key input to Nestlé's production, water scarcity could have an impact on its future business operations. The company's sales of animal-based products will suffer as more people switch to a vegan diet.
I'm going to suggest Toastmasters to Nestlé Malaysia Berhad. For SO strategies, I suggest Nestlé open a multi-brand wellness store on e-commerce sites in the Asia Pacific market, such as on Shopee and Lazada platforms. In order to develop and launch new products, Nestlé also can cooperate with stable companies such as Starbucks to launch new ready-to-drink coffee beverages. For WO strategies, Nestlé can further expand into healthy food sector through acquiring companies that provide healthy food such as Freshly. Since customers' need and taste for products are constantly changing, Nestlé also can choose to focus on trend-based innovation to launch more healthy foods and beverages. For ST strategies, as competition in the industry intensifies, Nestlé can cooperate with Alibaba to achieve sustainable development. Because Alibaba is one of China's large e-commerce platforms, to help Nestlé fight against many other rivals. In order to meet the trend of veganism, Nestlé can provide valuable, delicious and nutritious plant-based products so that people can get and enjoy more plant-based products more easily in the market. For the WT strategies, rather than relying too heavily on advertising, Nestlé can engage in CSR activities. It can not only improve Nestlé brand reputation but also reduce company costs. Besides that, Nestlé can adopt a differentiated strategy to focus only on specific products such as Nescafe, Maggi, and Milo to avoid unnecessary costs such as manufacturing, R&D, and marketing of the other products.